Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! Welcome back to an Itchy Elbow edition. Oh, and here's Elbow Shot, Elbow Boy. Haven't done one of them in a while. As I was saying, welcome back to another super duper exciting episode of GB's Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what kind of box we're going to open or what's going to come out of the box. But all the Unboxabators out there, just get fucking ready. Whip it out. But before we get to unboxing, let's uncan Canadian Carling. Cheers, big ears. Chug a lug, Junebug. Wow. Today's box is a cardboard box. It's yellow, black, green, and red. It's made from cardboard. Weighs 100 grams. Measures 5 inches by 3 inches by 1.5 inches. And when you shake it, it makes this kind of sound. Sounds like so many different kinds of boxes that I've opened already, but never opened one of these yet. This is the first, but it's not gonna be the last. But you never know when that'll happen. So the box today looks like this. Knorr, Oxo, chicken, poulet or poulet, 16 sachets or sachets of bouillon. Hey, recipe. Nutritional facts. French nutritional facts. And probably ingredients and instructions. Even with glasses, I can't read what the fucking ingredients are. I can guarantee there's nothing good in there, but sometimes you need to use these little fuckers. But maybe there's something else in there. That'd be nice. Maybe it's Band-Aids. Too heavy for Band-Aids. Maybe it's fentanyl patches. That'd be fucking cool, eh? Woo! Or morphine patches. That'd be good. But probably no such luck. Let's open her up. Listen. I'm not shutting the music off for this one. This is only a little one. But all you unboxing ASMR fans, are you ready for your unboxing asthma? Because you probably are a big asthma. Here you go, listen. Here it comes, listen. Oh. Did you hear that? The box is open. Woo! And here you go. What's inside? Sachets of chicken oxo. How about that, eh? It actually was what it said. There you go, bitches. Get in there, bitchy. Where's this fucking thingamajigger? There. Get in there, bitchy. Oxo. Chicken. Alright. I think after that much fucking excitement, it's time for a zippy. Woo! RTFO, mofos. 3-cup buttercup. Until the next unboxing, rock the fuck on, bitches. RTFO. Woo!